This is a Polytechnic moment. Every industry in every sector are experiencing the relentless advancements of technology. We're experiencing a transformational shift to a global digital knowledge economy. And this is exactly what a Polytechnic education delivers. I'm Dr. Larry Rosia, President and CEO of Saskatchewan Polytechnic. At Saskatchewan Polytechnic, we like to say that industry is in our DNA. We hire instructors from industry, and they use their real work experience to help teach our learners. One of the hallmarks of a Polytechnic education is applied learning. This gives our learners the opportunity to apply the practical skills that they learn in the classroom to the work environment. The vast majority of our programs offer a work-integrated learning component. Applied learning ensures that our graduates have the skills they need to contribute on the job day one. We offer experience through apprenticeships, co-ops, internships, field experience, practicums, and technical training. Saskatchewan Polytechnic's industry partnerships play an integral role in developing our curriculum and forming learning experiences that respond to industry's needs. We rely on program advisory committees to let us know where the labor markets are headed and what skills our graduates require. These committees are made up of more than 700 industry experts and leaders in their fields from the public and private sector. The skills and the way we provide skills is increasingly important in a world where technology is changing so rapidly. The world needs more Polytechnic education.